Good morning, good morning. I know usually I'm into gym stuff, but this morning I'm trying to fix a flat real quick. Now, those that don't feel like getting ripped off at the flat place, the tire place where you go get your flat, fix that, paying $20-something for a plug that costs about $5. This is what you do. You go to AutoZone or Advanced Auto or wherever, get one of these, get this tool that comes with a kit. It also comes with this and the glue. You might have to get some extra glue. Now this is what I'm gonna do. I already found the hole and I prepared the hole for the plug. I'm smoothing it out. Sometimes you gotta put the glue there, sometimes you don't. Right now I don't. It's pretty smooth. Got the hole smooth out. Now let me put the plug on this tool right here and then plug it. 1 second. As you see, I got one and the tool. Don't you try to squeeze it in between. If you can't squeeze it in between and you're having a hard time, just bend this thing open and bend and then squeeze it back. Boom, it's done. It's in between. Now let's plug the hole. Now I am back to the hole. As you probably hearing that noise, that is my air compressor. It's preparing to throw some air in this joint. Now here we go. Boom. That's it. That's all you need. As you see, I pushed it all the way in. Now I'm pulling this out. Comes out perfectly. Comes out perfectly. Now what we're going to do is fill it up with air. Take my air compressor that's right over here. Got this hose part. And throw some air in there. Now this is the next step. Get a box cutter, blade, some sharp object, and cut this. But before you cut this, you want to spray it. Get the spray going. Spray it. Make sure you see no bubbles. You see no bubbles coming out. That means the hole is tight. Job done. Thank you. For any questions, comments, just leave it and I'll get back to you.